Is your Balay 3TS986BT washing machine stuck with the key lock on the display? Don't worry, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to unlock it in seconds. Step 1. Understand the lock symbol. The key icon means the child's safety lock is activated. This prevents accidental button presses during a wash cycle. Step 2. Locate the unlock buttons. On most Balay models, you need to press and hold two buttons at the same time. Look for icons below the buttons, usually the RPM and delay timer buttons. Step 3. Press and hold both buttons for about 5 seconds until the key symbol disappears from the screen. Step 4. Check control. Try changing the wash settings. If it works, the lock is now deactivated. Note: if your model is different and this combo doesn't work, check your user manual for the correct button combination. That's it. Your Balay washer is now unlocked and ready to use. For more appliance tips, follow and like this video.